Want to know what $600,000 gets you here in Middletown, Rhode Island? Well, in today's video, my team and I are going to show you a project that my clients are working on. Let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in Rhode Island, subscribe below, tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Rhode Island. My name is Devin, and my team and I, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Rhode Island, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make a smooth transition here to Rhode Island. Currently, we are standing on Newport Ave here in Middletown, Rhode Island. This is one of the best locations and one of the best neighborhoods you can buy in here in Middletown. The reason why this area is so popular is you're close to First and Second Beach. You're close to all the restaurants and popular restaurants like Mission Burger, Flo's Clam Shack, and Atlantic Grill. Now, my clients just purchased this property. They purchased it for $625,000, and this is gonna be a total gut renovation. They'll take the outside asbestos shingles off. They'll do cedar shake on the outside. They're gonna add new vinyl siding. You have plenty of parking. And again, this area is so popular because they're using this as an investment property. Short-term rentals over here do extremely well. This is also a very popular second home market. We're gonna tour this property. Let's head inside. So we're gonna be touring the inside of this property, and those who are watching, you cannot tell, but the inside of this property reeks. So they're gonna have to take off all these paneling. So their plans are to take off all of the paneling in this living room. They're gonna re-sheetrock everything. They're gonna do new sheetrock on the ceiling, new light fixtures, new hardwood floors. Let's show you what they're doing in the kitchen. So they are actually gonna bring this wall. They're gonna bring this wall halfway over so they can get a better feel between the living room and the kitchen. They're gonna rip out this flooring. They're gonna put in a new door here. They're gonna redo the deck and all of these cabinets. I mean, look at these drawers. They don't even open. So they're gonna redo all of this kitchen, put new white shaker cabinets, and this place will be like brand new. Follow me down the hallway. This is the first bathroom. So they're gonna totally gut all of the bathrooms. So they're ripping everything out in here. I want the camera to see the inside of that bathtub. They are ripping absolutely everything out. I mean, I think they still have all the hair left in there. They're gonna redo each bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. They're gonna redo all the closets, put new trim, new baseboard. Again, they're doing the hardwood floors. And then as we continue down the hallway, they're gonna have this bedroom. Now this bedroom, we really couldn't even get in when we bought the property. This bedroom was kind of isolated. So again, they're gonna do new baseboard heat. They're gonna do all new trim, all new closets, all new hardwood floors. So this place is gonna act brand new. Let me show you the primary bedroom so you can get a feel for that. So here's the primary bedroom. These floors are in a little better shape, but again, the closets need to be replaced. We wanna put, solid oak doors so that it feels much sturdier. And then here's the bathroom. So the plan is to blow this bathroom out. I'll let the camera get in there. So you're gonna blow this bathroom out and we're gonna put in a stand-up shower. So where this whole upstairs is gonna be pretty much brand new. Let me show you the downstairs. So downstairs offers plenty of space. So this is a great entertainment area, especially for those that are renting on Airbnb. Their plan is to put a ping pong table or a pool table. So this is gonna be a great entertainment space. Also, they're gonna add another bedroom down here. So this will go from a 3-bed, 2-bath to a 4-bed, 3-bath. Let me show you over here. So this was what they were calling a bedroom, but it needs a lot of different work. They need flooring in here. They need new sheetrock in here. So this will be the 4th bedroom, and this will be a great added value to generate more income and attract a higher price point when you're doing short-term rentals. Over here, you have the entire laundry area, so this will be nice for the guests that are staying here. And then you also have a bathroom down here. I'll let our camera 2 take you in that bathroom, but again, all that tile needs to be ripped out and redone. New toilets, new shower tile. Everything in here is gonna be brand new as well. So let me show you over here. I wanna show you the backyard so you can get a feel. As one of the best parts of this property is the yard. This lot is a great lot here. Let me open this up. So this is just gonna be a great yard to be able to have fires out here. Obviously they'll do a new fire pit. Their plan is to do bluestone back here, make it a real great entertainment space. And you'll see as we walk through this yard, there is so much space back here to be able to enjoy the time that you're spending here during the summer months. Now let's head to the other side of the yard. And that's the deck they'll be redoing, like I talked about earlier in the video, but again, great space on the side yard here. Thanks for joining me today on one of the ugliest homes in one of the best neighborhoods in Middletown, Rhode Island. If you're looking to invest or buy real estate here in Rhode Island, all of my contact information is in the description below.